Greetings, mortals. It's Phil from Inclusive Music. I'm so glad to see you all, and thank you for visiting the scariest place on the interweb. I have a completely free download for you, which I have lovingly put together for your delectation and enjoyment. This fine example of scary Halloween sounds and MIDI files is for you to get creative and mischievous. You'll find the spookiest vocals, the most terrifying drones and spine-tingling atmospheres suggesting imminent danger. Please be warned. These are not for the faint-hearted, but rather for those intrepid creatives who wish to partake of some Halloween fun and frolics. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to produce a blood-curdling atmospheric piece of music and to scare as many people as you possibly can. Stay safe on the night of All Hallows Eve, and don't let fear get the better of you.
Trick or treat.